Want to remove the backgrounds from your images in seconds using Canva? Whether you're designing for social media, YouTube thumbnails, or business graphics, I'll show exactly how to do this step by step, covering both the free and paid methods, all within Canva itself. We'll start off with the paid method and then move on to the two free methods after this. Once you've logged into Canva and you're on the home screen, if we come up and click on the YouTube thumbnail, we can use this blank template for the tutorial. If you have Canva Pro, removing backgrounds is super simple. You automatically unlock access to Canva's own background remover tool. To access it, we'll first need to add an image that we'd like to remove the background from by coming over to the left toolbar and then selecting Uploads. Now click on Upload Files and locate the image you'd like to remove the background of, and then press Open at the bottom right of the window. I've already added a few images, so I'll just skip this step. From here, you'll see that your image or images now appear in the Upload section like so. Wonderful. Go ahead and click and drag your image onto your blank template. Now you'll notice a new toolbar appear above your image, and one of those options is BG Remover. BG standing for background, of course. You can also tell this is a pro feature as it has the little crown icon beside it. If we go ahead and click on this, you can see that it starts to scan the image, and then just like magic, our background is removed. Amazing. Okay, I hear you. But Rob, how do I get it for free? I don't have Canva Pro. Well, it's actually your lucky day, as not only do you have one option, but you have two free options within Canva to give you that same great result. Let me show you how. For the first way, we'll come over again to the toolbar on the left, and this time we'll select Apps from the list. Now we'll come up to the search bar and type in Background, and select the option underneath this called Background Eraser. A number of apps will appear, but we want to click on the app with the image of the ram on it. Now you'll get an option to choose file. Go ahead and click that again like before, locate the image you'd like to use, and then press Open on the bottom right of the window. You'll see a preview of your image. Click on Remove Background and it will now start processing it. However, it does say please wait, this can take a few moments. I found that it can take a bit longer than the Pro feature, so I've sped up the video a bit. But as you can see, you get the same great result in the end, completely for free. For some images, when I was trying this app out, I got an error when trying to remove the background. If this happened to you at all, you'll be glad to know there's another free backup app to choose from. Come over to the left and click on Apps. Type in Background again, only this time select Clear Background from the below options, and then we'll open the app that has the image of a girl's face on it. This works exactly the same way as the Background Eraser app we just used before. You know the drill by now, just click on Choose File, locate your image, and then press Open on the bottom right. You'll get a preview again and then simply press Remove Background. It will work away doing its thing, and then just like magic, once again we have our background removed for free. If this video helped, drop a like, hit the subscribe button for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.